Welcome to a new consumer goods review. Today we have some Japanese soft drinks to taste. Let's go. So today what we have on the menu is Ramu Bottle Sangaria carbonated drink. And then we also have this other flavor, Ramu Bottle grape carbonated drink. So yeah, let's open them up and see how they taste like. I think we should start with this grape one because I like grape. Ooh. Oi, 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 oi. It's bubbly. Okay, it's fine. Smells super good. It's like this Finnish Muumi limu. It's very good. What? It's transparent. I thought it's gonna be red. Look at this. Smells super good. Okay, let's see how the Ramu Bottle grape tastes like. Here we go. The smell, absolutely amazing, gotta tell you. You know what's good thing about making this in the cold winter forest? It's super cold. Like, it's really refreshing. This is really good soft drink. It reminds me of this Muumin soft drink that we have in Finland. It's one of the most famous drinks here, and it brings me back to the childhood. Very good drink. This 5 out of 5 definitely. Thank you Japanese for making this good drink. $11 sugar per 100 milliliters. It's a lot. Okay, on to the next one. This time we had the Ramu Bottle. I think this is the original flavor. Let's see how it compares to the grape one. Please don't bubble. Please don't bubble. Okay, it didn't bubble. This one was better. Smells much different. I think it's like watermelon or something. Let's see if this one has any color. No, it's transparent like the other one as well. The smell is not as good as the other one. But what about the taste? Let's find out. It's more bubbly. It's very hard to find any taste here. What is this? Sangaria Ramu Bottle. What is the flavor? I guess there's no flavor at all. It's just basically like sugar water, pretty much. Yeah, it's super weird. This one doesn't have any flavor, like. It's just carbonated drink with lot of sugar, I guess. I like the grape one much more because it has distinct flavor about the grapes. This one, it's very hard to find the flavor. Yeah, this one is not as good. I think this one is like 3 out of 5. I think it's gonna be refreshing when you drink in the summer, but the flavor is just not as good. But very interesting to see Japanese soft drinks, like how they taste like. It's much different from the Western soft drinks. Yeah, thanks for watching this review. And if you have this in your local Asian market, definitely recommend trying this, especially this grape one. That one's really good. And if there's a Japanese watching, please put a thumbs up on the video. Maybe I will review more of products from Japan. I don't know. Yeah, leave a comment, like the video and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next review.